Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another new video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, answer notification bell, like this video and share. So without any much further ado, let's get to the video. So in this video I'll be showing you we'll use this we'll use there are two methods you can install VLC in your PC. You can use the apt package and we can use the snap packages, but in this video I'll be showing you how to use the apt packages. So what do you need? You need to open to run your terminal. This is my terminal. So what is the first thing that you need to do? You have first to ensure that your Kali Linux upstream repository is working. And how can you do this? First of all, you must ensure that you have access to internet because you need to download stuff. So you have to run this first command. Let me show you. You have to run this first command to ensure that your upstream repositories are there and they are in place. So type sudo apt update. You hit enter, you provide your password, and then you just leave it to download until everything is done. Now you see I'm getting this information feedback that it's done, so this means that everything is in order. So after everything is in order, sorry for that, you will type this second command, the command now to install VLC. This is the second command that you are going to type in your PC. So I'll copy paste this and I will paste it there. Oh sorry, I did not. So I'll just delete this instead and I will just type it sudo install VLC. You hit enter. So you see, so make sure that you have access to internet before you begin to download to install. And from the look of things, my installation is complete. My installation is complete because I can get this. The system is bringing me back to the root. So from here I'm going to, now at this point you already have VLC installed into your PC. You can come to this terminal over here, click there and type VLC in this search box. VLC. Your VLC is already installed. Here it is. So if you have moved in your computer, you can just launch it using the software. So because you already have the software in place. Oh, I almost forgot something. I had installed my VLC earlier, but if you're doing this for the first time, you'll have to accept terms and conditions that are there. So before you even launch to have your VLC in place, first of all you have to accept the terms and conditions so that you'll already have the access to using this specific software. So now what happens if you want to uninstall VLC from your PC? Now if you want to uninstall your VLC from PC, oh there, yeah, see, you open VLC and then read terms and conditions, accept them, and then you'll be able to access your VLC. So if you want to remove VLC from your PC, this is the specific command that you're supposed to type. Now let's do this. Let's minimize that. Now let's clear this window. Now you want now to uninstall VLC. What you're going to do, you type sudo apt remove VLC. You hit enter, and then you are told that reading packages list is done, building dependency tree is done, reading state information is done. When you scroll down, you'll be told that do you want to continue. You either pick yes, Y for yes, N for no. Why are you doing this? Because you are removing something from your PC which had occupied space in your disk. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to speed to free. That's why I told after this operation 237 KB disk space will be free. So without any hesitation, just hit yes, Y, and you hit enter, and you wait for it to finish. Yeah, mine is already done. So I've already uninstalled PC from my I've already uninstalled VLC from my PC, and that is how you install VLC Media Player in Kali Linux and uninstall. So guys, as I said before, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, answer notification bell, like the video, share, and that would be great. As you learn, I also learn. As I learn, you also learn. So over and out. Please, 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 guys, subscribe to the channel, please.